Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I didn't do an intro for the video that you're about to see, so I figured I would pop on quickly just to do an intro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bae and I just got like matching temporary tattoos, so that was fun. We did the whole like process of putting them on, showing you how they develop and all of that. We are here at the house now. We have all the tattoos ready for us. Bae is right here with me, and we are gonna start putting on these temporary tattoos. So they do last about a week to 2 weeks. They are cruelty free and they develop in 24 hours. So you have to put them on, keep them on for an hour, and then over 24 hours the tattoos will be fully developed. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of that, but right now we're just gonna prep our skin, prep everything, read the instructions, because honestly not too sure how to do it, but it seems pretty easy. Like the instructions are literally on the back of the tattoos. So we're gonna start doing that, and then we chose matching ones, so I'm excited for that.
Let me just prep your skin.
Stop. So yeah guys, well, stop. Okay, first prep skin with primer wipe. So it comes with a wipe.
So let's just take
He's gonna unbox one of them.
Ta-da! Sorry, I kind of got too excited. And here's the wipe.
So it comes, it's labeled, so you can't miss it. So step 1, prep skin with primer wipe. Step 2, apply tattoo. Step 3, place protective sleeve. So that's the tattoo. So that's step 2. You put this on. Step 3 is the protective sleeve. So you put that over. Step 4, leave on for 60 minutes. And step 5, remove everything. In 24 to 36 hours, the blue will turn into a black and it'll look just like a tattoo.
All right. I'm kind of nervous.
Right, I'm nervous. He knows where he wants his. I don't know where I want mine.
I don't want to mess mine up.
Okay.
Oh, I'm still wiping.
No, wait, now you have to wait for it to dry in 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4. 30! Guys, this is actually pretty cool. It has to be right in the middle. Right there. Perfect.
I just tattooed my boyfriend thumbnail, so we've decided to put it over here. It looks good to me, guys. So this one is, it says heart you, and I chose this one so I could stick it on him somewhere.
It's so hard to actually like hold the camera.
Okay, so we're gonna clean this. Oh, I still got it here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your hairline? Actually, that
It doesn't matter. Look at it.
Ah, we did it. Oh my Lord.
Jesus.
Sweet
Christ.
Lord.
Sweet Lord Jesus.
Love you.
Sorry.
I got it's like on my cheek. What the heck?
You get a small neck.
Okay guys, so we're done putting all the tattoos on. It is 7:06. We started putting them on at like 6:50. So I'll turn on the camera again at 7:50. That way you guys can see what these have developed into. So I'll see you guys in 1 hour. Okay guys, it is now 7, you can't really see because of my background, but it's 7:57. and we're about to take off our tattoos.
My neck is messed up. If we're gonna take off one.
No, we have to take off these ones first because we put these ones first.
Crap.
Okay, so we'll see how his turns out. Right now, it has to develop.
Oh my god.
It's gonna take 24 hours to develop.
Oh. No, don't you dare. No. No.
It looks so good.
You can even see it.
Yeah, you can. Look, guys.
Did it actually stay?
Yeah, so it's gonna develop over 24 hours. But it looks so good, you can completely see it. Okay guys, I'm gonna take off mine. Time to take this off. We're not babies over here like this wimp.
Because you don't have hair on your arms.
It's gonna do another one. We're gonna put the last one there.
If you guys can see it. It's supposed to be... What is it, the universe?
Planetary.
Planetary. This one.
That's it. Where's this one?
There's such a weird and awkward spot.
Not really.
It hasn't sat in yet. Like it hasn't settled. I don't know if you guys can see it.
There.
But I don't know.
He's just red from like the thing being on him for so long.
I don't know if it's gonna be as dark as my tattoo, my actual tattoo. That's pretty cool though.
So I will give you guys an update in like 24 hours. I still have this on. I think we should take it out. Oh god. This is gonna hurt.
Payback.
Oh, careful when he gets to the
I know.
hairline. I feel like you're in more pain than me.
Oh, that's cool.
You took it all off?
Yeah.
What? Both of them?
Yeah. You guys see that?
How does it look? Guys, so that is it for right now. I will give you an update in 24 hours, or I'll probably update you guys every couple hours since I'm gonna go home. He's not gonna be here, but I think I might see him tomorrow. Shout out to Inkbox. Thank you guys so much for sending us tattoos. He loves tattoos, so he was excited.
Thank you.
Oh, I'll show you guys that one. I'll show you guys that one because we'll be together in an hour. So
yeah.
I'll show you guys what it looks like.
So we're not done yet. I'll be back.
Hey guys, okay, plot twist. It's like an hour later since you saw the last clip. It is snowing so hard, so we're leaving to go to my house right now.
Show the mirror so they can
Like, look at outside. It's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see, but like it's snowing so hard. That was not there before. Like any of that wasn't there. But we're gonna take off his thing right now. We're at a red light.
There we go. I don't know how this is supposed to turn into black though.
Right? I don't know. It's green. Like you guys can see.
I guess we'll let it sit.
But okay guys, we're gonna figure this out because this light is broken and we need to get it. Okay guys, so I'm home now. I think it's like 9:30, 10ish. So this is a little update on the tattoo. It's still green, it hasn't turned black yet, but it's only been 2 hours. So yeah, that's how my real tattoo looks compared to the green. Hey guys, good morning. So it is the next morning and it's like 10 in the morning. So I believe it's been 12 hours since the last clip. This is what the tattoo is looking like. It's looking so good. And you can see it compared to my actual tattoo. It's getting there.
A few moments later.
It's 7:07 the next day.
7:07.
And this is the update on his tattoo. This is the first one.
This one's actually pretty cool. I actually want to get that.
Yeah, it turned out really nice. And then the second one, his is still developing. It's not fully developed yet. Oh, what about the one behind your ear? Oh, it's there! Guys, it's there! It's getting a little dark. It's not as dark as that, but
yeah, it's not as dark as that.
it's getting there.
And let me see the one behind your ear.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, you can see it. Oh my god, guys, it's there! Oh my god, it's there! Wait.
I'm so excited yours is there.
Wow. Yeah, so this one does look like an actual tattoo. But this one doesn't.
Because it's not developed yet. I feel like, but yours is also not as dark as mine.
Yeah.
It's our update, guys.
Your mama's gonna whoop your ass for getting a tattoo, but you still want to get a tattoo, I would strongly recommend it. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, that's it for me.
Also, forgot to end the video, so here I am again. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, shout out to Inkbox for sending me these tattoos. It was super fun to do with my boyfriend, honestly. We had so much fun doing it. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one.